The power of forgiveness. In the deep blue ocean lived two best dolphin friends named Luna and Splash. Every day they swam together, played together, and loved racing each other. One day, they decided to have a fun racing competition. Both were very excited. Splash wanted to win the race no matter what. So, he secretly took a shortcut without telling Luna. When he reached the finish line first, he pretended he had won honestly. Later, Luna discovered the truth. She felt deeply hurt because her best friend had lied to her. For many days, the two friends stopped swimming together. The ocean didn't feel as happy as it used to. One day, a powerful ocean current swept Splash towards some sharp rocks. Although Luna was still upset, she couldn't leave her friend in danger. She quickly swam to Splash and bravely guided him back to safety. Feeling ashamed, Splash said, "I'm sorry, Luna. Winning wasn't worth losing my best friend." Luna smiled and replied, "I forgive you. True friends always tell the truth and give each other a second chance." From that day on, they raced honestly, and their friendship became stronger and more beautiful than ever. Moral: forgiveness heals hearts, and honesty makes friendships last forever.